What does it mean when someone says, "I'll slide into your DMs"?
Hello there, language explorers. Today, we'll be diving deep into the digital slang of the 21st century, where phrases like, "I'll slide into your DMs," have become commonplace. If you've ever wondered what it means or how it's used, you're in the right place.
What does "slide into your DMs" mean?
Slide into your DMs is a phrase that originated from social media platforms. DMs, or direct messages, are a way of privately communicating with someone on social media. When someone says they'll slide into your DMs, it means they intend to send you a direct message, typically with the goal of initiating a private conversation.
What's the context for using this phrase?
The phrase is often used in a flirtatious context, usually when someone is interested in getting to know you better on a more personal level. However, it's not exclusively used for romantic or flirtatious intents. It can also be used in a friendly or professional context to suggest starting a conversation privately.
Is it appropriate to use?
The appropriateness of sliding into DMs really depends on the relationship and the context. While it can be a harmless, fun way to initiate conversation, it's important to respect the other person's boundaries. If someone is not comfortable with private messaging, it's best to respect their space and communicate through public or mutually agreed-upon channels. Understanding phrases like "sliding into your DMs" can help you navigate the complex world of digital communication. It's a playful, informal way to say you want to start a private conversation. But remember, always be respectful and considerate of others' comfort levels when messaging. Happy sliding, and until next time, keep exploring the language of the digital world.